everyone, welcome back to Real Tech Dudes. I'm Nathan, and today I'm kind of doing this alone because everyone else is actually at Hamfest and I simply just couldn't make it. So this is actually a piece of metal mounted to some wood that's cut out in the shape of a tree that is actually typically standing in the front of my church behind the drum set. So if you ever see us shooting over there or you see some of those videos, you'll probably see this behind the drums. So it's actually lit up, backlit with, well, Christmas lights, the old style incandescent Christmas lights, and they've died. So instead of trying to find it and fix the bulb that's broken, and I can show you how to do that later, or you can watch the video, should be here, on how to fix your Christmas lights. Yeah, so instead of doing that though, I wanted to go ahead and update this to LEDs and a few other things so we wouldn't have to worry about bulbs going out so often. So let me show you how it's actually set up. So on the back of this thing, it's just Christmas bulbs held on the back of this with gaffer's tape. Gaffer's tape is just really, really nice duct tape, basically. So I'm going to go ahead and get this off here first, because then I'll show you what I'm going to actually put on it instead of, you know, Christmas lights. How much tape is holding this thing on? Okay, so this is the thing. If you notice in here, you've got this ridge all along the edge of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put lights along the edge of this, all the way around it, shining in to backlight it. For that, I've got these. Hopefully there's not. I'll find out. So this runs off 12 volts, and it's pretty easy. It's actually looks like a film reel, but it's plastic. Yeah, definitely plastic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this, and this is a adhesive back. We're going to stick it on the outer edge here. Now I'm also going to go in here and I'm going to put a few staples every once in a while just to make sure it doesn't come loose. So, and I think I'll give this a quick clean too, just so the sticky sticks. So this is the light. See that there? And these are really neat. These are, I'll show you a picture of this here real quick. I just took one. And you can cut at these points or solder back on at these points if you need to. There's all the way through the spool. So I just did a quick check to make sure that the staple gun would actually go into this material. And it did with absolutely no problem whatsoever. So yeah, I'm going to use a cotton staple gun. I'm I'm going to tack it into place first with a sticky back, which is here, you can see. And then we'll go from there. So I'm going to start at the top here because this is the hanger. So I'm going to start with this at the top and give it about like that. Now I'm going to go through this. I'm going to do this. Will be kind of a quick montage. Okay, let's make sure it didn't break anything. So we'll plug the power supply back in. Alright. Let me take a picture of this so you can kind of see what this thing looks like from my perspective here. Look like that one. Of course it won't flicker because this is just on it right now. So it doesn't have a very big power lead, but it's enough. So I'm going to go permanently attach that piece to this. Now you know it's solid. Take a big picture of this. Yep. I if I showed you the power supply. Real quick though, this power supply is just a little, this is a 12 volt 5 amp power supply. So yeah, it's just a basic little thing. Comes with a power lead, comes with that little adapter, and the lights themselves. All came as a package, so I'll put a link to where I bought it. Probably either down in the description or maybe at the bottom. So I'll tell you what, let's take this thing back over to my church. We'll take a picture of it and see what it looks like there. Okay, and that's what it looks like put back up at the behind the drummer at my church. It's kind of a neat little, metal cutout thing. So if you enjoyed this kind of content and you'd like to see more of this kind of content, make sure you click the subscribe button and click the notification bell down there, and we will let you know, it will let you know that when we post a new video. We typically post about once a week. So Hope you enjoyed this. If you've ever tried a project similar to this, let us know down in the comments. And hope you enjoyed this replacing the lights with a little bit more modern backlight system. Nice little stick-on LED system. Anyway, you guys have a good one. I'm Nathan with Real Tech Dudes, and I will catch you later.